very hearty Women's Day to all people at Pai Bhavan. I congratulate every single women present here on this Women's Day. It has been a long journey for PNG in Panaji, and we are glad that it has received good support amongst residents. A lot of features PNG offers. One is, many people were asking about the cost. We have worked out the cost to be anywhere between 17% to 20% cheaper than the cylinder cost. Minimum. As per usage, it can also go up, but we take it as 20% cheaper. You can see when you get 2 months bill and 2 cylinders you use, you can compare. 2 is, we have specially launched it on Women's Day because women are the first ones to have this empty cylinder anxiety. You know, when my cylinder will get over, I have to book the cylinder, I have to get the cylinder. The Gadi has gone from my society, then I have to wait for another son. This anxiety is not there. You start your tap and the gas flows in your kitchen. So this is a big step towards stress-free cooking and a stress-free kitchen to whoever runs it. We don't depend on cylinders. Many times I'm also in charge of civil supplies. We are booking so many cases for adulteration of cylinders, for short weight in cylinders. I do not know, this is now coming to the fore. This type of incident is ruled out as far as piped gas is concerned. Another aspect of this would be safety. It is much more safer. PNG is much safer than LPG. Combustion levels are low, it rises up, it disperses in the air. Hugely safer than a cylinder. Then incident like a cylinder blast, etc., everything is ruled out as far as this is concerned. So the safety factor is huge. Another aspect is, when I walked in, many ladies told me one of the things which we would be free of is fixing the cylinder. People wait, call someone, try to fix it, and then again you have anxiety, have I fitted it properly, have I fitted it wrong? This thing also goes on. So a huge advantage is, now we have online payment, online billing. You can download the app and see this digital convenience is huge as far as this is concerned. So I welcome this society into this PNG family of ours. We expect and we would work under the Smart City mission to make Panaji LPG free. That is our ultimate goal. It is a huge plus for the environment. It is a cleaner gas. It will have so many less movement of vehicles on our streets. Today, at least 10 to 12 gas cylinder vehicles, I think more, around 20, continuously move around the city distributing cylinder gas. We want to eliminate it. This will reduce congestion, reduce pollution, and people would benefit of this. I once again congratulate Pai Bhavan. I congratulate the ladies who have taken this step and come forward to connect this. I wish them a happy Women's Day and a stress-free environment in their kitchens. Thank you.